Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook copy so you can safely experiment. This protects original data. Next, locate the columns that contain the text you need and note consistent patterns like delimiters, fixed widths, or markers. This determines the method. Once done, turn on formula auditing and reveal hidden sheets to ensure no source text is missed. You'll use these observations to choose between text to columns, formulas, or Power Query. These are faster when patterns are clear. Now you apply the chosen tool. If delimiters exist, run text to columns and preview splits. That's the quickest route. When structure varies, craft formulas, left/right/mid with find and len, to isolate pieces and combine substitute or trim to clean results. For complex or repeated tasks, import the range into Power Query, define split rules, add custom columns using M language, and perform replace, trim, and split steps. Make sure to test on a few rows to confirm accuracy before applying to all. Finish by validating extracted text against source rows, spot check edge cases like missing delimiters or extra spaces, and correct with helper columns or refined formulas. Once correct, convert formulas to values to lock results and note the steps used so it's reproducible. If things go wrong, rerun via Power Query using a regular expression or more flexible split logic. That typically resolves inconsistent patterns. Remember to save the clean copy and keep the original untouched for backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.